to cook Navaithibadiyaan badi or moong dal badi prawns gravy. Get a good quality of Navaithibadiyaan badi. You will get in any part of Chennai. Fry the Navaithibadiyaan badi until it turns golden brown, and transfer it to a bowl. Chop 1 onion and 3 tomatoes. Heat the oil used to fry Navaithibadiyaan badi. Fry the chopped onion until it turns golden brown. Add tomatoes and saute them until they shed the water. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute until it turns into thick mixture. Add 50 grams of prawns to the mixture and saute them. Add little bit of water and saute well. Add chopped coriander and 4 to 5 chilies and mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and mix it well. Let it cook for 10 minutes under low-medium heat. After the gravy is cooked well, add Navaithibadiyaan badi to the thick gravy and mix it. Add 100 ml of coconut milk to have smooth texture and to cut down the excess spiciness. Add half lemon and salt to taste and cook in low heat for 5 minutes. Delicious Navaithibadiyaan badi prawns gravy ready to be served. Do follow this easy recipe and write down the review given by your loved ones in comments section.